Hey man, hope you're doing alright. You've had a good week so far. So obviously you can tell slightly different on the check-ins and stuff today. So this is the way I'm going to be doing it from now on. I'll be publishing YouTube videos every Friday to my face-to-face guys. So just make sure you check down here. I haven't created on yours yet, but it will be there. Obviously, because you clicked the link. Just make sure you check here every week. The date and the actual video link will be there, so just follow that. So jumping straight into it, with regards to training, okay, it's just getting in as many times as you can. Obviously, we are getting you in at least once. We need to push that to 3 if possible, just because we need to try and maximise your muscle retention and actually try and slap some muscle on. You've definitely got bigger since we started training. I mean, your strength is flying through the roof, but it would go that much faster and that much more if we can get you in more often. All right. So I know work and stuff's all over the place at the moment, but just try. Like we said before, take an hour, take your time. Yeah, it's going to make you more productive at work. It's going to make you feel better about yourself, which is then going to put you in a better mood. So again, productivity at work and at home. Yeah. If you're in a crappy mood and you're stressing all the time, it does strain your relationship. Like, ask me and Amy, like it does get you. But once you get that kind of what's the word? Oh, God. Once you get that kind of balance, there we go. Once you get that balance, it does make all the difference, and you'll both be able to tell. That's not me prying. That's just me just saying, like, don't let it get to that stage. Okay. Everything does look good though. Nutrition though does not. We need to be pumping around 3,000 calories a day into you. Yeah. Don't let it slip this low. Okay. We need to push that more and more. Try and get more protein in, especially. But in your case, because you're quite a hard gainer anyway, if you're really struggling to get that protein in, and as long as it's not every day, like once in a blue moon, I don't mind if your carbs and fats take over to get that in. Yeah. We just need to be consistently hitting around 3,000 calories a day. Otherwise, it's gonna, your weight's not gonna budge anywhere, and you're gonna start going downhill. For example, started off 75. You would have lost a bit as soon as you started training, because obviously you're burning more. As we then start to increase your calories, weight's still dropping. You had nights and stuff away from about here. Night shifts, and that took a massive impact on you. But here, it's still low. We can get that back to 75, and we can get there comfortably without you holding too much water, without you holding too much fat. It's just a case of getting those calories in, getting in training, and even if you do come in twice a week, kick the hell out of that session. Yeah, absolutely put your all into it. Literally balls to wall training on that. All right. So again, all I want to do is carry on tracking stuff, get food in you. I don't mind if it's dirty. Just make a note to say that it was like crappy food. Really good day. And then we can see your calories drop slightly. So that just means that we've got to put more crappy food into you to be able to actually get the calories in. And I don't mind that, as long as it's not affecting your like digestion health or anything like that. But we'll cross that bridge when we come to it. For now, get the calories in, get the training in. Let's get you big and strong. Alright, any issues or questions you've got, just let us know, and we'll take it from there. Alright, have a good weekend, man, and I'll catch you later.